How's it going everyone, it's me Rolt. Recently Redmi has launched the Redmi K20 Pro in 2019, which is a flagship killer smartphone for 2019. Now we are going to enter into 2020 and Redmi is going to rock in this year as well. Yes, one more time Redmi is about to launch flagship smartphone in 2020, which is the Redmi K30 Pro. Skip these things without further ado, let me dive into the video directly. Moving on the display, we got to see the full view display in the Redmi K20 Pro. But in the K30 Pro you are supposed to get the punch hole display like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It will come with FHD Plus QLED AMOLED. It will support HDR10 and this display can be 90Hz refresh rate as well. Obviously there will be in-display fingerprint sensor. Moving on performance, we know Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 is the flagship processor in 2019. Thereafter 855 Plus has been launched. 855 Plus is upgrade version of 855. A lot of phones are still being launched on Snapdragon 855 Plus. Now that 2020 is around the corner, this year is going to become of Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. This is a very strong possibility that the Redmi K30 Pro could come with Snapdragon 865. 865 is going to be the fastest processor in 2020. Moving on the design, the Redmi K20 Pro has amazing design. Actually, I am surprised. But in the K30 Pro we expect a little more amazing design. The K20 Pro comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back side. Now we are expecting the K30 Pro will come with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 front and back side. Moving on the battery as well as charging capability, we expect more than 4000 mAh battery. The reason is that every single brand is trying to increase battery power in its smartphone. Even Redmi brand will do that. Speaking of charging capability, as we know, the K20 Pro supports up to 27 watt fast charging. We are given 80 watt fast charger with the phone. This is not enough. We need a lot more. Realme is competitor of Redmi. Realme is about to launch Realme X2 Pro in India and that will come with 65 watt fast charger in the box. Redmi K30 Pro should also include 65 watt or more than 65 watt fast charger in the box. As far as wireless charging is concerned, I don't wonder it will support wireless charging. Moving on the camera, the K20 Pro has top-notch camera. There are 3 cameras on the back side, but this time Redmi will use quad camera setup. There will be a main sensor, there will be a wide angle, there will be a telephoto, there will be a depth sensor. Megapixels are not confirmed yet, but main sensor can be 108 megapixels. The K30 Pro will be able to capture better photos as well as better videos. Stabilization must be included in the 4K video at 60 frames per second because K20 Pro doesn't support EIS on the 4K 60 FPS. The K30 Pro will have dual camera on the front side. The first is gonna be main sensor and the second is gonna be wide angle. There can be dual punch hole camera module on the front side, but on the back side camera module is not confirmed. Moving on the price as well as release date, the Redmi K20 Pro is competitor of the OnePlus 7 and the K30 Pro is gonna be competitor of the OnePlus 8. Redmi is expected to launch the K30 Pro soon after the OnePlus 8. According to my expectation, price is gonna be around $424 of the base variant. If you convert it into Indian currency, so it's gonna be around 30,000 rupees. If you wanna see more videos like this, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Now I will see you in the next one.